What if passive income actually became passive? Because 5 AI agents handled the research, decisions, optimization, and monitoring for you. Right now, most people call something passive income when it still needs daily checking, endless tweaking, and constant stress. But in 2026, that's starting to change. We've moved beyond simple automation. This is no longer just, if this happens, send me an email. Now we have AI agents, and the difference is huge. A normal automation follows a fixed rule. An AI agent can observe, decide, and act across a workflow. That means instead of manually checking trends, updating products, comparing tools, or watching dashboards, you can build a small team of specialized autonomous agents that do parts of that work for you. In this video, I'm going to break down 5 invisible AI agents that could help manage a modern passive income system. Not magic, not guaranteed money, and definitely not financial advice. Just a realistic look at how AI automation, workflow automation, and autonomous agents are changing the way online income systems get built. And by the end, you'll understand why the future of work may belong to people who design systems, not just people who do tasks. The first agent is your research agent. Think of this like a tireless market scout. Its job is to watch the internet for signals, rising search trends, new product demand, pricing changes, niche opportunities, competitor movement. In the old way, you did this manually. You opened 10 tabs, you checked Google Trends, you scanned YouTube, you looked at product marketplaces, and by the time you found the pattern, the opportunity was already crowded. An AI agent changes that. Using browser automation tools and LLM-friendly web crawlers, an AI agent can scan multiple sources, summarize what changed, and highlight where attention is moving. So instead of drowning in information, you get signal. For example, imagine you run a faceless YouTube channel, a digital product store, or a simple affiliate site. An AI agent could tell you, people are suddenly searching for local LLM tools, browser automation, and AI workflow templates. That alone gives you direction, because passive income does not start with automation. It starts with better opportunity detection. The second agent is the builder agent. This is the one that turns ideas into assets. Once your research agent spots an opportunity, the builder agent helps create the thing that makes money. That could be a lead magnet, a digital product, a landing page, an email sequence, a content outline, a niche website update. This is where a lot of people get stuck. They know what they should build, but they never finish building it. The builder agent reduces that gap. It can draft the structure, generate versions, organize the workflow, and hand you something 80% done instead of leaving you staring at a blank page. And this matters because in the creator economy, speed matters. A slow creator with perfect ideas usually loses to a fast creator with a working system. This is why AI side hustle content is exploding right now. Not because AI replaces the creator, but because AI agents shrink the time between idea and execution. You still provide taste, you still make final decisions, but the heavy lifting becomes lighter. The third agent is your optimization agent. This one is incredibly powerful because most online income is not won at the creation stage, it's won in the iteration stage. This agent watches performance and looks for ways to improve it. Think better titles, better thumbnails, stronger product descriptions, pricing adjustments, SEO updates, conversion improvements. In other words, it answers the question, what small change could create a big lift? This is where AI automation becomes practical. Your optimization agent might notice that one product page is getting traffic but not sales, or that one YouTube topic has strong retention but weak click-through. or that a keyword like AI agents for business is outperforming a broader term like AI tools. That insight is gold. Because one of the biggest myths about passive income is that you build it once and walk away. That's not how real systems work. Real passive income behaves more like a garden than a vending machine. You don't rebuild it every day, but you do need something constantly improving it. That something can now be an agent. The fourth agent is the execution agent. This is the bridge between analysis and action. Its job is to actually do the recurring tasks that keep the machine moving. That could include publishing scheduled content, updating metadata, sending reports, syncing tools, moving data between platforms, triggering workflows when conditions are met. In more advanced setups, some people even connect agents to portfolio dashboards, ad systems, or e-commerce operations. And this is where the idea of invisible agents becomes real. You don't see them the way you see a teammate in Slack or ClickUp, but they're working, quietly, in the background, on schedule, with logic. The big shift here is this. We're moving from doing work manually to supervising systems that do work continuously. That is a future of work skill. Not just using AI tools, designing AI workflows. And finally, the fifth agent is the manager agent. This might be the most important one, because every system breaks when nobody watches the system itself. The manager agent checks whether the other agents are performing correctly. It looks for drift, bad outputs, broken triggers, strange patterns, or falling performance. This matters even more now because as multi-agent systems become more popular, reliability becomes the real competitive edge. In 2026, a lot of people can spin up agents. Far fewer people can build trustworthy ones. So the manager agent acts like quality control. It doesn't just ask, did the task run? It asks, did the system still make sense? That is what separates hype from a real operating model. So, here's the big picture. A modern passive income system could be supported by 5 invisible AI agents: a research agent that finds opportunities, a builder agent that creates assets, an optimization agent that improves performance, an execution agent that runs recurring workflows, and a manager agent that monitors the whole system. And when these work together, passive income stops looking like random hacks and starts looking like system design. If you're watching this, don't start by trying to build all 5. Start with one. Pick a repetitive part of your workflow, maybe research, maybe content creation, maybe reporting. Then ask a better question, not how can AI do everything for me, but which part of my work should become a system? Because the people who win with AI won't just use tools, they'll build workflows, they'll design agents, and they'll create systems that keep working long after they stop typing. If you want, the next video could be a practical one, showing exactly how to build your first AI agent workflow using today's tools.